Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Engineered for a wide range of DC 12-volt vehicles from cars and trucks to motorcycles, ATVs, carts, pickups, RVs, SUVs, MPVs, vans, and off-road rides, this innovative Snail car horn package elevates your vehicle's safety and style. It includes both a high-tone 520 Hz horn and a low-tone 420 Hz horn, paired with a universal mounting bracket, nut, and female connectors, ensuring a seamless installation. With an impressive output of 130 dB, the horn emits a powerful, unmistakable warning that draws attention, helping to alert other drivers and pedestrians, and ultimately reducing the risk of accidents. Its unique design not only maximizes sound clarity and personality, but also ensures efficient heat dissipation. Constructed from premium ABS and encased in a waterproof shell with robust metal components and aluminum alloy reinforcement, this horn is built for long-term, reliable performance, even in extreme weather. Discover the power of our 120-watt LED light bar, expertly designed with premium LED chips and a crystal-clear PC lens that delivers a pure 6000K white light, ensuring even the darkest roads are brilliantly illuminated. Its innovative design blends a focused spot beam with a broad flood beam, offering both expansive coverage and extended reach for superior visibility. The robust, quake-proof bracket securely mounts the light bar, making it ideal for rugged terrain. With an impressive IP67 rating, its seamless protective housing with waterproof glue provides exceptional resistance against water, dust, and vibrations. Enhanced by a specially engineered 60-63 aluminum profile paired with thermal grease, this light bar maintains optimal heat dissipation, and its universal fit makes it the perfect upgrade for any vehicle. Say goodbye to expensive service calls and guesswork. Locate and track buried or hidden wires with ease using our advanced wire tracer. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, this handy device allows you to quickly find and fix issues without external help. Please note, it's engineered specifically for single-strand wires or double-strand wires in parallel, and is not suitable for multi-strand wires. Whether you need to locate pet fence wires, metal wires, pipes, or electrical cables, this tool is up for the challenge. It also helps you identify which receptacles are on specific circuits, and even pinpoints drill sites before you start work. With a tracer range that reaches 2 to 3 feet deep and spans up to 1,000 feet in length, you'll have the confidence to tackle any project. Plus, each package comes with a free earphone for enhanced monitoring. Remember to avoid using it on live circuits to prevent damage. The device is intended for non-energized or low-voltage cables under 24 volts. Protect your classic 1969 to 1973 Nissan 240Z with a precision-engineered, custom-fit car cover. Each cover is meticulously machine-cut to fit the unique curves of each 1969, 1970, 1971, 1972, and 1973 model year vehicle for a secure, snug fit with elasticated hems on both the front and back to prevent slipping. Made from 100% waterproof and weather-resistant material, this all-weather cover protects your vehicle from rain, snow, hail, and even the harshest sunlight, while comprehensive UV protection helps protect your vehicle's paint and finish over time. A soft cotton interior lining helps prevent scratches, and 3 heavy-duty straps hold the cover in place in high winds, giving you peace of mind. Designed with durability in mind, the cover features waterproof seams to prevent leaks and built-in ventilation to reduce moisture buildup. All made from multi-layer premium GSM material that is machine-cut and laminated for lasting protection. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Introducing the 2025 upgraded MK808S, the latest auto-diagnostic scanner from Autel, and the natural evolution of the MaxiCheck MX808. With powerful bi-directional control, this cost-effective dealer-level scanner delivers comprehensive active testing to ensure all car subsystems and actuators are in optimal condition. Building on the legacy of the MX808, MX900, MK900, and MK900BT, it supports over 150 car brands worldwide and features FCA Auto-Auth. It efficiently reads and clears codes, displays 5-in-1 live data, provides ECU info, and performs active tests, all with just a few clicks. Its innovative AutoVIN technology instantly identifies your vehicle's make, model, and year, streamlining diagnostics and boosting work efficiency. Plus, the convenient Wi-Fi printing function generates detailed reports that pinpoint issues with precision. Enjoy premium performance at a lower cost than the MK808BT Pro without extra subscription fees or the need for constant updates. With global compatibility and reliable diagnostics, the MK808S is your ultimate solution for fast, accurate automotive troubleshooting. Breathe new life into your treasured leather items with our innovative leather care solution. Our advanced formula is designed to deeply penetrate leather surfaces, repairing cracks, restoring elasticity, and reviving the original texture. This versatile balm fills imperfections seamlessly, leaving your leather with a refreshed, like new look and feel. Perfect for leather and vinyl car seats, steering wheels, sofas, shoes, boots, handbags, office chairs, wallets, belts, jackets, and more. This all-in-one kit meets diverse restoration needs from automotive interiors to household items. Ideal for fast, easy DIY repairs, it effectively fixes damaged leather, scratches, fading, wear, peeling, and pet marks in one go. It dries quickly, is waterproof, odor-free, and won't rub off. With natural oils that penetrate deeply, our black leather polish enhances shine effortlessly. Simply apply and let air dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Or speed up the process with a hairdryer for just 1 to 2 minutes. Enhance your driving safety with the blind spot mirror. A product with a super strong 3M adhesive combined with a compact, adjustable swivel mount for easy installation. For a secure fit, press down firmly when attaching the mirror to the black swivel base, which ensures the mirror is firmly fixed in place, even when the control is folded. In addition, the adjustable mount provides a wide viewing angle to maximize your visibility, eliminating blind spots and allowing you to easily monitor adjacent vehicles when changing lanes. Made with waterproof, rust-proof material, the mirror's HD curved ultra-thin glass remains clear without fogging over time. Its flexible convex design not only enhances your vision but also predicts surrounding traffic for safer lane changes. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, this universal fit accessory is an essential safety accessory for cars, minivans, trucks, and RVs. Rest assured that installation is safe and removal will not leave any traces, ensuring long-lasting reliability for all your journeys. Experience enhanced safety with the Convex rearview mirror, which provides a wider field of view for perfect visibility. Designed to eliminate blind spots, the mirror not only makes reversing safer, but also allows you to keep an eye on your children in the back seat for added peace of mind. The mirror's high-definition, crystal-clear glass provides a true-to-life, distortion-free image, ensuring you always see what's behind you accurately. With a universal clip design that fits most cars, SUVs, CRVs, trucks, and vans. Measuring 11.8 inches by 2.9 inches, this mirror easily attaches to your existing rearview mirror in just 8 seconds. Simply insert the adjustable clip into the bottom of your original mirror and adjust the angle. Carefully packaged in a hard case lined with foam paper and equipped with a safety shelf, your mirror is well protected. Even if dropped from a height of 2 meters, the mirror remains intact, ensuring long-lasting durability and performance for your driving safety. Elevate your driving experience with our versatile car phone holder, designed to securely fit smartphones between 4.7 and 6.5 inches. Featuring dual vent clips, this mount offers a more stable and secure grip than single-clip options, ensuring your phone stays in place even on rough roads. The retractable phone clamp holds your device firmly, yet makes one-handed insertion and removal a breeze. Padded with soft rubber cushions, the holder protects both your phone and your car's air vent from scratches. Perfect for long trips, especially when using GPS, this compact cradle is easy to carry and adjust. With multiple angle settings, you can effortlessly switch between vertical and horizontal orientations for the best viewing experience. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Transform your car into a personalized light show with our GoV Car LED Light Kit. With 16 million colors at your fingertips in DIY mode, you can design custom light effects to suit your style and outdoor decor, ensuring your ride stands out. The built-in microphone synchronizes the lights with your favorite tunes. So whether you're on a road trip, weekend getaway, or evening commute, your car's interior comes alive with vibrant, dancing colors. Control brightness, color, or switch to music mode effortlessly with a simple tap in the GoV Home app, creating a comfortable and dynamic driving experience. The innovative two-line design connects 4 LED strip lights seamlessly, eliminating the worry of exposed wiring for any car model. For installation, just ensure the surface is clean and dry, then secure the strips using the provided adhesive and support clips. The protective rubber tubing shields the lights from water spills, keeping your setup looking sharp and reliable. Enhance your driving experience with the Universal Car Power Splitter, designed for both 12 and 24-volt systems to meet all your in-car power needs. It features 3 dedicated outlets to simultaneously support GPS, dash cams, and more, ensuring you stay connected on every journey. Its 2 high-speed USB charging ports provide a total output of 3.1 amps, intelligently detecting your devices with built-in smart IC technology for optimal fast charging. The cigarette lighter socket comes with a separate switch, providing energy-saving control and real-time battery voltage monitoring to extend battery life. With built-in safety features, including a safety fuse and smart identification chip that protects against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, and a convenient 2.3 feet extension cord for rear passengers, this power splitter is a universal solution for cars, SUVs, trucks, and off-road vehicles.